everybody, Dylan Hotsmith here with SkipperBud's North Point in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. I'm out here today featuring a 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This boat is equipped with twin Mercruiser 6.2 350 horsepower engines, giving you 700 horsepower overall. This boat also has a generator, so you have AC inside the cabin as well. Before we jump onto the boat, I just want to point out a couple features. You don't need a ladder on this boat because the swim platform attachment right here drops down into the water. You have your gas fill up and your waste tank right here. A large storage area in the back for fenders, lines, life jackets, a couple water toys. And then over here on the port side, you have your shore power connection, freshwater washdown, and your battery switches. So let's jump aboard, check out this boat. So we're in the cockpit of the boat. On your starboard side, you have a Kenyan grill and a nice top, a sink. Below you have a trash can and a refrigerator. You also got a nice comfortable seat right here with cup holders behind it. Moving back, we have this big L seat wraparound. You have a space for a table here, and your engine hatch, if you can see this line right here, opens up with the push of a button over there, and your tabletop is stored in there, as well as a filler for some of the filler cushions that you have down below. Moving up to the port side, we have a seat here that can be pointed forward or aft. It's just manual, you just pull it forward and backward. Coming over to the helm, not a whole lot of buttons, so that's kind of nice. You just got your running lights, anchor lights, courtesy lights, overhead. You have your windlass control, bilge pump, and blowers. You got your throttle and your joystick. So since we're twin engine, we do have joystick on this boat. That's always a nice feature, easy for docking. You also have twin SIMRAD screens here. So you can pretty much have full boat control here at the helm. You just can't really control lights down in the cabin. That's like the one thing you're missing out here at the helm. Moving over to the bow, on your port side, you have a second tabletop right here. So if you don't want to use the larger tabletop that's in the engine compartment, you can use that tabletop. Nice walkthrough to the bow. So the criticism that Sea Ray Sundancers used to have in the past was you didn't have bow seating. Well, now you do. So you can sit 3 comfortably up here, maybe 4 or 5, depending on how you appoint yourself. Yeah, cup holders, nice comfortable place to hang out and entertain while you're underway. Before we jump down into the cabin, just want to mention there is a full isinglass enclosure that wraps around the cockpit that I've taken off just because the boat looks better that way. We also have a large sunroof here that's manual. You can just pull it open and close. Just using 2 fingers to do that. It's pretty light. Coming down into the cabin area. So forward, you have a nice dinette area that can also be dropped down and put your filler cushion on. And now you have a V berth in the front here. On the port side, got a fridge, microwave, and you have a nice head unit. It's a wet head. And then down below you have a large sleeping area. So I would consider this the master sleeping area if it were me. You can comfortably sleep 3 in here, but you can also pull this filler cushion out and sleep 2, have 2 separate bunks and sleep 2 people down here. You have a small TV and some storage along the side here. So if you have any interest in wanting to view this boat, call SkipperBud's North Point in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois at 847-872-3200. Thanks. So as you're looking at some of the drone footage, you'll notice that the boat sits very high in the water. It does take a second to get on plane, but just because it's a taller boat, it's trying to push the boat on top of the water. But when it does get on plane, the front is sitting up high. And we took this boat out in 2 to 3 foot seas and it handled very well.